In order to fully understand the concept of this year's Phil-IRI reporting system, we must start with the process flow of its concept. To begin with, the regional office will have one consolidating template which is based on all the 11 divisions of Davao City. And since the regional office mainly relies on the data gathered from these offices, it is prudent to have credible, reliable, and valid data in order to process information and provide concrete steps in the future to address the reading needs of our learners. All 11 divisions will encode their data from the pre-made templates that are already distributed to all division focal persons. Each division focal person will encode their data, and these will automatically fetched in real time by the regional office's consolidating template. These pre-made templates are independent from one another, and no division office will have access to other reports except the 2 templates which were provided to them. This division reading profile reporting template will be the focal person's encoding platform, which is used as the regional office data source. They will input the necessary data as required in the template, which will allow the regional consolidator to identify the reports, after which they will proceed to encode their reports in the respective T stages for the whole school year, starting from the pre-test GST up to GST post-test. How will the division focal person gather data from their respective districts? For more organized file management, it is encouraged that the division focal person will create a new folder in their respective Google Drive. They can do that by clicking New and select New Folder in the option menu. Thus, a pop-up will prompt them to name the new folder created, and they can assign whatever name they like for their folder. After clicking on the Create button, a new folder will be created in their Google Drive with the assigned name they provided. The same file reading profile reporting template file can be reused by their respective district offices. All they need to do is to create a copy of the said file. This can be done by clicking the File menu in the toolbar and selecting the Make a Copy option. A pop-up window will again show, which will ask the user to provide details for the said file. The first input element will be the file name, which will be the district name of this template. Following that, click on the My Drive option in the folder selection. This is where you will locate the folder you created a while ago. Make sure to choose all locations in the window tab, just to be sure all the folders in your drive will show. After that, click on My Drive and choose Select. Now locate the folder you created previously. In this tutorial, we will look for this folder I created a while ago. I will again click on the Select option here, just to be sure that this is indeed the said folder and it is empty. And as I'm already sure that this is the folder, I will finalize my choice by clicking on the Select button here at the bottom. With that, I can now click on the Make a Copy button here to immediately duplicate this template onto my personal folder which I created. And as you can see now, I have 2 open tabs on my browser already. You can also see that the template is already renamed according to the district I will be sharing this to right here. All I need to do now is click on the Share button right here on the Windows upper right. Once I click that, the Share option window will open up. I will click on the input field here to begin typing the email address of my district focal person as shown here. After typing the email address, I will click on the Done button on the bottom right of the window. And that's it. The district focal person will immediately receive an email that this template is shared with them, and this is where they'll be encoding their reading scores. You will just have to repeat on copying the reading profile reporting template as many as the total number of districts in your division. Also, as the division focal person, you will take note of the URL of this template. This is very important since this URL will be the one you will copy and paste onto your division reading profile reporting template, which will also fetch all of the data they have provided in their templates. Through this, you will also have real-time updates of your respective district office reports within the files table summary, which will be the basis of your encoding onto the regional encoding template you were previously provided. And that's about it. That's how all the division reports can consolidate all their respective districts' reading reports which will be the source for the division encoding on the regional Phil-IRI reporting template.